Presenting Sony SRS-XB12 extra bass wireless speaker that is compact, lightweight and portable. The speaker delivers deep and punchy sound with extra bass to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. The SRS-XB12 is compact and lightweight, making it ultra-portable, suited for both indoor and outdoor use. It also comes with a detachable strap that can be used for hanging the speaker anywhere. With an IPS7 rating, the speaker is totally waterproof and dustproof, making it suitable for all kinds of outdoor use. It comes with a built-in mic that makes it capable of providing hands-free calling experience. You can also connect two SRS-XB12 wirelessly for a stereo sound experience. With a built-in rechargeable battery, the speaker provides up to 16 hours of battery life on a single charge. You can connect to the speakers wirelessly through Bluetooth. The speaker is available in black, blue, red, green and grey color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.